We're doing it on Omega. Episode 418, part 1. GOON versus UTOPIA. Not a good hand here. Prosperity. Banish. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, and 3. Which one did I take there? Rescue cat. Okay. Then I activated Red Eyes Fusion. Activated Prosperity first. So if it would have ashed me, Red Eyes Fusion wouldn't get ashed. That was an ash block. Oh, I got the Red Eyes and set the end perm. It's gonna reinforcements to the army. Add ZS armed sage. He's gonna activate onomatopoeia, and he's going to send one card, which is ZW Pegasus Twin Saber, chain link to Dragoon, discarding Cyframe Gear Gamma to negate onomatopoeia, and then he scooped Let's Duel wins. I did not know if that was a good Dragoon negate, but it was, and yeah. Round 2. Dude! He went first. He's gonna gloves. Is this a normal summon? Special summon. What the f... How is that? How is that possible? I'm not sure. Tactics and Utopia double, Gamma, and he's gonna chain its effect. It's got the Xyz effect here. I'm gonna ash it. Ash, and then Gamma. Negate, destroy. Still gonna draw us, and he's gonna set to end phase. Those two get banished. Drew the Dark Magician. Normal Summon Kit. Battled for 700. Linked off for Almirage. Kit. Dump. Nerval. Add. Fractal. Xyz Reborn, and then he's gonna attach it. Then he's gonna activate a effect, attach, to add the double or nothing. And he's just going to number C, Utopia. Turn. Okay, he's just gonna go right into that guy. Or that guy. How the heck did he gain fucking 5,000? How did he double his attack? Not sure. Tactics, pay 5, draw 1. What is this guy's effect? Effect, you can equip one ZW monster from your hand or deck. Discard. or equipped by that monster's effect once per turn. Face up card 0. Number of ZW. Negate that effect. Okay. Equip ZW Pegasus Twin Saber, and then ZW Tornado Bringer. Attach to. How the heck is this guy getting attacks like crazy? Is it this guy? $1,000 attack, 1,300 attack. What the okay. I'm gonna summon that guy. It was over from here. Oh, that guy wins. They both have hard to pronounce. He has a hard to pronounce name, and the card he's playing is hard to pronounce. I went first. Rescue Cat, activate effect, tribute itself, send itself, special summon those two. Going to a Farrajeet, kit dump Nerval, Nerval add Fractal. Farrajeet, special summon Nerval, activate effect, banish those two for Bearbrum. Through negate Apo, and then Bearbrum. Oh wait, that's Farrajeet. Draw, put back to the driver, and I'll just put it back. Revolt, and putting back Dark Magician. Setting the Revolt, ending my turn. It's going to use Onomatopoeia to send Zoo Baba Cho. Fuck, code. I'm just gonna negate that with Ash. He's gonna normal summon and then somehow special summon. How the fuck? The only monster you could show is a level 4. He went to Force Tricks and then summoned another Raid Raptor. And then from there, I'm not sure if he was gonna be able to go to an Ultimate Falcon. I don't know the summoning conditions for Ultimate Falcon at this moment, but I just tried to get Revolt. Summon those four for Shureg. Only 1 Shureg, 2 Nerval, 3 Kit, and 4 Farrajeet. Farrajeet's gonna draw and put back. Kit's gonna dump Karis, and Nerval's gonna dump, or is gonna add Fractal. And Shureg is gonna banish. He's gonna set a card. It's gonna end a draw Gamma. I'll just normal summon Fractal, activate effect. Banish 1, 2, 3, 4 for Omen. Shureg banishing the Zexal Alliance, and he knew it was game from here. Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. 418. Does he have a deck? He does have a deck. 418. Okay. We were at 228, 12, or I mean 1228, 1246 now. 418 was the episode. 418 right here. Let the net decking begin. One lightning storm. All exceeds monsters. Wow. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty cool. You could have two same card, different pictures. $14. He forgot one card. Ooh, a mirror force. And the second Zeus. Missing one card here. 14 out of 15 card in the side deck. Probably unfinished. We're at 260. Still at 260. What does it take? God, comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.